Hey friends, if you encounter any issue with your Windows computer, then what should be your approach? I mean, one approach would be to comment on this video so that we could help you further. You can comment your problem, we'll try to find a solution for that and try to create a video for that. But what are the official methods provided by Microsoft? So the first one is the Get Help app, and it is being phased out, but there's an option for this. So search for Get Help in the Windows search bar and open the Get Help app. Now it will need a while to load. I could have also suggested the troubleshooters. However, the troubleshooters will lead to the same app, so it's better to ask here directly. Now I would say that I need an issue. I am facing an issue with network, and it will start searching for articles that can help you. But these are support articles by Microsoft. What if you face an issue that has never been reported to Microsoft? In that case, you can search for Answers Microsoft, the Microsoft Answers Forum, and you can go to the Microsoft Answers Forum, and in the Microsoft Answers Forum, you can search your issue if it has been stated in the community, and if not, then you can always sign in and then create a new request. So I'll try and sign in. And then I will create a new request. Okay, so this is how we can start a query with the Microsoft Answers Forum. But obviously first search whether the query has been created at the first place or not, and then you can start your own query. This is how you can get help from Windows 11 or for any Microsoft related product. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.